Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Zksync era airdrop and some of the updates on the Zksync era. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now there is no official announcement yet from Zksync era with regards to airdrop, but I feel that the airdrop should be soon. Hopefully we can see the airdrop somewhere in mid of April. Now we also don't know whether the snapshot is taken yet or not. So what you guys can do is basically stop thinking about the airdrop and keep transacting on Zksync era network like you normally do on centralized exchange. Because if you wait for the airdrop and if they delay it, then it may lead to anxiety and depression. So please avoid that. And if we check some of the posts on Twitter, so there are a lot of this post that the airdrop would be done on 16th April. As you can see, this Twitter user has posted like, okay, we have a date, 16th of April will be a big day, Zksync era airdrop. And because Sebastian Tina had posted this picture of 1604 in the past, now this is not guaranteed that the airdrop would be on 16th of April, or maybe we might get a checker airdrop checker on 16th of April. You may never know. Now the next update on Zksync is basically, as you can see, they have plans to bring in lot of liquidity on Zksync era. So they have made a post in the past stating that they are planning to bring billions of liquidity with GRVT and Kronos chain. So I think this should be used, and I will show you some of the charts and the liquidity is actually flowing in on Zksync. Now if we go to Nansen over here and check the Zksync era dashboard, as you can see the amount of USDT that has been deposited. So basically it's like around 7.12 billion. And if we go over here, as you can see, the Zksync unique depositors are increasing day by day. Now the cumulative depositor count is around 2.3 million. And if we go and check some net USD flows to Zksync, as you can see, now it's going on a sideline, but hopefully we can see it increase in the future. And there was a sharp spike somewhere in July of 2023. And as you can see, the smart money deposits in Zksync era. Now if we go over here, as of 2nd of April 2024, the cumulative deposit is around 178 million US dollars, and it keeps increasing day by day. And also the same thing is with smart money depositors. As you can see, now the cumulative smart money address is around 452. So we can expect a decent liquidity that would be flowing in on Zksync era. Now these are some of the bridges that Zksync era depositors bridges used. So there was Starkware, Orbiter Finance, Linea, Zora Protocol, Base, and there are a lot of them. So Starkware is the leading one, and then there is Orbiter Finance. Now we can expect an airdrop for Orbiter Finance as well in the future, hopefully. So if we have been like bridging and transacting on the Orbiter Finance, maybe they will give us a decent airdrop. But please note that Orbiter Finance is a bit expensive. There are other bridges also, like there is Bungee, and then there is SyncSwap. There are a lot of bridges, to be honest. But Orbiter Finance, you can use it to actually farm airdrop on the Orbiter Finance as well as some other L2s on Ethereum. Now another big update is this Clave app, and basically you can download it on your iOS or Android device. So this is officially supported by Zksync. Now please note that you will need to wait because there is a waiting list on Clave. Now I got my invitation on Clave, and I've been using Clave for the past couple of days, and to be honest it's pretty fast, because I sent some ETH from my whole station wallet to Clave wallet, and it was like instant. It didn't even take 1 second. So hopefully after the Clave implementation, uh, we might see a ZKS airdrop soon. And if you have an invitation, you can try this Clave. Now how I got my invitation is basically I hold a lot of blue chip NFTs on Zksync era, And recently I got my invitation from you as well as Sob, and there are some other NFTs also on Zksync Era that gave me the access to Clave. Now this native USDC is there on Zksync Era, and if I remember correctly, this native USDC has lost its peg currently, but I think it will recover its peg and be back to $1 as normal. Now, if there is a lot of liquidity on the Zksync Era in the future, maybe in billions, then using native USDC would be a good thing. So Circle has came out with this native USDC. I will go ahead and follow them for further updates. So I am following them now, and hopefully we can see a lot of transaction because USDC is now on Zksync Era. Now Zksync has also posted something about Pudgy Penguin, so I think they will airdrop a few tokens or coins of Zksync or ZKS to Pudgy Penguin's holder. Now owning a Pudgy Penguin is a big thing because you get lot of benefits, and there were a lot of airdrops, and basically you get cut out of their merchandise. So Pudgy Penguin holders are enjoying a lot of benefits, to be honest, and I personally think that Zksync Era will do an airdrop for Pudgy Penguins holders because they have made a post about it. Now the floor price for Pudgy Penguin is around 12 ETH, so which is on a very high side. Maybe I will plan to buy a Pudgy Penguin. I don't hold one as of now, but maybe like during the bear market I might go ahead and purchase one of this, to be honest, because I would like to be a part of the Pudgy Penguin community in the future. Although I hold this one, Lil Pudgies, I have one of these. I don't have multiple. I, so maybe in the future I might buy a few more. I'm not sure of it yet, but I'm surely going for one of the Pudgy Penguins. Now they have this free mint on Zksync. So if you want to get an NFT on Zksync Era, so this is from a user called as Pez. Now if we go to Zksync Twitter and check the retweet over here, as you can see they have reposted this post from Pez. So that's the reason why this NFT should be a decent NFT. And if you want to go ahead, so you can go ahead and follow Pez. So I will go ahead and follow him and just wait for the NFT mint details and maybe the whitelist details. Now there is another thing that he has posted 11 hours back, like sneak peek of the NFT. Now I'm not sure which is this NFT because this beans and the other NFT looks completely different, as you can see, and this is more like a bear NFT, so I'm not sure which one. Now you can go ahead and vote, like there is some fresh design for an expanded collection of 777 NFTs with a only mint price of 0.002 ETH, which is fine. I mean, so or else he can keep it free. So I have voted no. Maybe if you want to go ahead and vote yes, then you can do it. And the last thing that we can see is like if we go over here and check for Zksync. Now there has been a lot of transactions on the NFT on Element Marketplace on Zksync Era, and yesterday Sob had released their NFT. So let me check the Sob collection, Element Marketplace. So as you can see, they had released this collection yesterday, and the total volume was around 13.41 ETH. Now there are certain benefits of owning Sob NFTs. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research before investing into crypto or buying any NFTs. Now if we go and check the advantages over here, as you can see, they are mentioned like being a member of the Sob DAO, 10% of the mint funds and half of the royalties would go to our DAO. Now currently they have put like around 0.83 or 85 ETH on the DAO platform, and this would be distributed for Sob NFT collectors, and in the future they will have something called as NFT staking, coin flip, raffles, minigame, and they will be coming up with a token which is Sob. So there would be an airdrop for Sob NFT holders. Now there are multiple NFTs on Zksync platform, like blue chip NFTs. Like there is Moody Mites, then there is ZK Pengs, V Bears is there, ZK Veggies is there, ZK Skulls is there, and there are more coming. So you have to follow the community in order to get some free mints of this NFT, because you may never know, like in the future this might appreciate a lot and maybe even go more than 1 ETH as and when the liquidity starts flowing on Zksync era. So these are some of the updates, and hopefully we see the airdrop for Zksync era soon. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.